Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to add customs gradient color to the header text in Word. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. First, you need to double click the header area at the top of your page to enter header edit mode. And now highlight the text you want to color with the gradient. And then go to the Home tab on the top ribbon and click on the Font tab and click on the gradient and select the more gradient at the bottom of the page. So in the format text effect sidebar will be open up, and in the preset gradient click on this arrow and select the first color, for example this orange color. You can set the direction to the linear right, whatever your choice is, like this one, and you can set the angle as well. And now you can select the second color from this option. Click on this small slider arrow and click the color and select the second color of your choice, for example yellow, and you can change the position like this one, or you can manually change the position to move the slider right or left side. You can increase the transparency or decrease the transparency as per requirement. Similarly, increase or decrease the brightness. So if you want to add another color, you need to click on this gradient stops and select the another color like green. You can mix and match like this one. If you want another color, click on gradient stops and select the another color like this one. If you want another color, click on this gradient stops, select the color for purple. You can adjust it like this one. Add another gradient stops, click on that and select the color to the red. So you can gradient stops as maximum as you can. And if you want to remove any color, for example, if you want to remove this orange color, just select it and click on this delete remove gradient stop. And now double click inside the Word document to exit the header area like this one. So this way you can easily add custom gradient color to the header text in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.